Hello everyone, today I am going to solve a Codechef easy problem. Chef drink tea. Problem code is T and its difficulty rating is 591. Now check the problem statement. Chef has planned that he will drink exactly X liter of tea daily. He has an empty jar having a capacity of Y liter. Chef can visit the tea shop to refill the jar. In each refill, the jar is completely filled and chef is charged rupees Z. Now find the minimum amount of money he has to pay for drinking exactly X liter of tea daily. To solve this problem, first we have to take three input X, Y and Z. Then we need to find out how many times chef need to refill his jar. If Y liter jar have X liter tea, then 1 liter jar have X by Y liter tea, or chef need to refill the jar at X by Y time, and then simply we need to multiply with Z to find out the output. Now let's imply on the code. I have done this code in Python 3.6. Here is the output. In this case, I have taken a library function in Python which is math.ceil to get the upper value in float function. Thank you for listening.